Hello students, welcome to this Abacus class. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of Abacus. What exactly is Abacus? How can we learn Abacus? Right? This is the Abacus tool that you can find over here. This Abacus tool, right? And in this Abacus tool you can see that you have this vertical columns, and in each of the vertical columns you can find these beads. We call this as beads. These are the beads which are used for counting purpose, and each of this bead represents one particular number. You can see that there is one rod over here. This is the horizontal rod, and you're having the vertical rods, and the value below this uh, horizontal rod represents numbers. Like the first bit represents 1, the second bit represents 2, the third bit represents 3, and the fourth bit represents 4. So you have 4 bits at the bottom, and above this you are having one bit over here, and this one bit represents 5. So you have 4 over here and this 5. The total value of this particular column is 9. So whenever you want to count the numbers, you always start counting from this dot. Can you see this dot, this white dot over here? So this represents your unit place. As you move further, this represents your tens place. As you move forward, this represents your hundredth place. This is how you can identify the positions of the units place or the ones place, the tens place, as well as the hundreds place, and so on. I hope you know some of the basics on what does this abacus rod represents. In the next video, we'll try to see how to count the numbers. Thank you.